In this tutorial, I'll show you how to enable and use Leo AI on Brave browser. By the end, you'll have Leo AI turned on in Brave, know exactly where to open it, and be able to ask questions and get AI-generated answers confidently. First, open Brave browser. On the top right, click the three-line menu icon to open the main menu, then click Settings. In the Settings page, go to the Leo section labeled AI Assistant. Here, find the option called Enable Leo and toggle it on. Once that's on, Leo AI is activated in your Brave browser. If you change your mind later, you can return to this same toggle to turn it off again. Next, let's access Leo AI. Look for the Leo icon in the Brave sidebar or along the toolbar and click it to open the Leo panel. If your version supports it, you can also press Ctrl+L to open Leo directly. Either way, you should now see the Leo interface ready for input. Now, use Leo AI. Click into the text box and type your question or prompt. Keep it clear and specific so Leo can give a precise answer. When you're ready, press Enter to submit. The AI-generated response will appear in the main panel. Read through the result, and if you need more detail or a different angle, ask follow-up questions as needed in the same conversation. You can reference what Leo just said, add context, or request examples to refine the answer. Let's go through that flow smoothly on screen. With Brave open, I'm clicking the menu, choosing Settings, and opening the Leo AI Assistant section. I'm toggling Enable Leo on. Now, I'll close Settings. From here, I'm clicking the Leo icon in the sidebar to open the panel. If I prefer the keyboard, I can press Ctrl+L, if available in this version, to open Leo as well. At this point, I'll place the cursor in the input field at the bottom, type a question or prompt, and press Enter. Leo's response appears just above. If the answer is helpful but needs more detail, I'll type a follow-up question and press Enter again. Leo keeps the context of the conversation, so I can continue refining until I get exactly what I need. If I want to shift topics, I simply type a new question and press Enter to start a fresh line of inquiry. If you ever close the panel, you can reopen it the same way by clicking the Leo icon in the sidebar or toolbar, or by using Ctrl+L if that shortcut is available on your setup. The process is the same every time. Type your prompt, press Enter, review the AI-generated response, and follow up as needed. Once that's done, you've completed the entire process. Enabling Leo AI in Brave, accessing Leo quickly, and using it to ask questions and receive AI-generated responses. You now know how to turn Leo on. Open it from the interface or with the keyboard, type prompts clearly, and continue the conversation with follow-up questions to get the best results. That's it. Leo AI is now enabled and working in your Brave browser, and you've seen exactly how to use it effectively. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.